Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is my first ever YouTube video, so you will have to bear with me on this. I thought I would show you how I get ready in the morning for work. Hello, good morning. So today I thought I'd film a work get ready with me. I don't know if that's even a thing. So first things first, I need to go and have a shower. So today I am working all weekend. So I'm up and showered, next up is breakfast, and part of my breakfast routine is obviously giving these lot their breakfast as well. So they're being a bit noisy this morning, but while I feed them, I will have my breakfast too. So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going up to London with my best friend Grace, and we're very excited.
All that time away from you, I didn't think I'd make it without you by my side. Let me feel your love again. Just the two of us, and we could stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night. Everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be the someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. Be with you. Be with you.
So if you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye! Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today is Sunday, it's my day off. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is a very exciting day as me, my sister and my cousin are going to do this picnic.
Good evening. This is Dan Walker. The rise of LM5 continues to sweep our nation. This so-called sisterhood is thought to be led by a group known only as Little Mix.
Hello guys, so it is actually a few days later. I am currently editing this video as we speak. I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I thought I would show you my candle collection. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. What's the matter? Pickle. Hey. So obviously when I'm home, these guys are always with me. Yes. Now that I've got all my makeup off, I'm just going to sit for a little bit and drink my cup of tea while watching film. I've got my cup of tea. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a Disneyland Paris haul. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, as you probably guessed by the title, is 30 facts. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to do a makeup and skincare haul. Hello everyone, so as you saw in my previous clips of this video, you saw that me and my friend went to Olympia Beauty yesterday up in London. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It has been a while, I know. Me and my friend are off to the Harry Potter studios. They can film me on the camera.
So where are we?
We're at Harry Potter's Warner Brothers Studios. So, just arrived, and you can do this. So you can see us. That is so cool. So it's pretty cool. We've just arrived.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you
As you
do?
do. May have made some
My
purchases.
life was great till you added color.
You made some purchases, and now we're on our way home.
Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about
Do you like
the
that
others. You set my world on fire.